What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? This is Smooth One of Smooth One Productions. I have mic, a wireless mic setup that I'm gonna use tomorrow. It'll be my second time using it, and this is the receiver. And hold on, let me show y'all. This is one of the wireless mics, and this is the lavalier that plugs into the wireless receiver. I will play some of the audio from the test. I don't know how far the range is, but hold on. Let me see if I can play something. You got the camera on. That was some of the audio right there. That was from the mic. So we're gonna see what happens here. Let me pause this. Hear it. This is out of the speaker that's in the check 1 2 1 2 1 2 check sound check 1 2 1 that's 2 the camera 1 2 speaker. Sound check 1 2 1 2 1 2 sound check 1 2 1 2 check it out. Okay, I'm gonna pause that. Right, and oh gosh, I'm gonna let y'all hear. Whoops. And put this over here. Cut all this off. Cut that off. Okay. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna let you hear some of the sounds from if I can open this thing up, where are we? This is from the wireless mic setup. This is the audio. I'm gonna play the audio on the computer. Okay, here we go. Open QuickTime. Just take a listen. Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. Mic 1, mic 2, mic 1, mic 2, mic 1, mic 2, mic 1, mic 2. Sound check. Okay, that was from the wireless mic setup here. This is one of the wireless mics. The receiver and the lavalier mic that's connected to it. Hold on. Let me show y'all. See, that's the lavalier mic connected. I'm gonna bring both of them with me tomorrow. I'm gonna help a friend out with something. And the receiver's on my camera. And also, just in case, if I can find it. Where is it? Just in case. Just in case. If I can find it. Ugh. I always have it sitting in one spot. And now I don't have it sitting there. What is wrong with me? I'm turning into a bozo. Ah. Uh-oh. I can't find it. I had it. Had it. I can't find that right now. So, hold on. Now. Also, whoops, sorry. I'll let y'all see that I got my little Rode mic too. Got my little Rode camera mic. I'm gonna let my buddy use this right here. I got the whole kit. I'm bringing my mic set to bam to get it all done. That's I don't know. That's the wire. Da 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 da. This is my whole mic setup. So I'm going to bring two mics. I'm going to bring the wireless mic. And I'm going to bring the mic that's connected to the Rode. And we're going to get this done. ASAP. Bam. Smooth One Productions. I'm out. Here we go. Smooth One Productions. And I'm going to bring my Rode boom mic that goes on the camera. And we're going to get this done. I'm going to use the wireless mics. And I'm going to use my buddy's going to use the mic on the camera. And we're going to try to get this done. You know what I'm saying? Ha ha ha. Yes, yes, yes. I'm out. Mic setups here. This is my Rode mic. I'm gonna have to mess with the volume and stuff. It picks up very crazily. See? My on-camera mic. Yeah. And I got my wireless mic set up. I'm ready. I'm ready. Smooth One Productions.